What's going on, beautiful people? What's going on? It is your boy Nico. Welcome back to my channel. No, your eyes are not playing tricks on you. This is indeed a new video. I am back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a haul. I also want to catch up with you guys. I want to show you guys some small businesses that I love, that I've been, not working with. I just, I personally know the people and they launched their business and I thought it was just so cool and so dope, so I wanted to support. So I'm going to link everything down in the description box down below. And yes, I did pay for everything. I didn't ask for any discounts. I didn't ask any discounts for you guys just because, they are small businesses. They are starting out. And I think that during this time, we all need to support one another. So I also am going to incorporate that into this video, as well as showing you guys my summertime styling, just because I am not going to be buying any more winter clothes right now. I am ready for spring. I am ready for summer. And I just want to go ahead and start shopping for that. But let's just jump right into the video. The first thing that I want to talk about is candles. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with candles. I love gifting candles. Like if you ever are moving into a new apartment or home, I always gift candles just because it's a gift that keeps on giving to the person who lives there as well as to me when I visit. It's just something nice to smell while you're just sitting there. This is the new design that Diptyque came out with. Is this Art Deco type of candle, and it looks exactly as the outside. So here's how it looks, and I have the regular one to show you guys. So here's just the difference. It's literally just the design. It smells exactly the same. I love it's fig tree, if you guys don't know. But this one is, I believe, is $74, while the other one is $68. I collect candles, so I didn't mind paying that difference. But if you guys do mind, just get the regular one, and it's all gonna smell the same. The next candle brand that I want to talk about is this one. Is called Harlem Heirloom. This one is called the 1990. It does smell like amber and a bunch of other things. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'll make sure to link that down in the description box down below. This one costs $32 and it smells really, really good. It is sold out, but I believe that they do have a mailing list or email list that you can sign up for so you can be alerted when this scent comes back. But I do love this one. It's made in New York, and as you guys know, I live in New York, so I support everything New York. And the last candle that I have to talk to you guys about, it is so freaking dope. Let me show it to you guys. 1 second. It comes in this huge box right here. You know what? I don't even know the name. I'm such a bad YouTuber. I didn't do my research before, but I'm going to leave the name or the company down below. It's a friend of a friend's company, so that's why I kind of don't really remember, but I did go ahead and pay for it. Let me just show you guys and shut up. Come on. Come on. So basically it is a replica of the Jordan 1 candle. Oh my goodness, when I saw this, I was like, I have to have it. And everyone who I've shown this to has to have it. It did cost a pretty penny. I think it cost me like $100 or $110 or $100 and something. But yes, people, it is indeed a candle. You can go ahead and burn it, but I'm not gonna burn this. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm thinking in the living room or something like that. But look at this, and it does have a fragrance to it, so just don't think it's just like a waste of time. But I'm obsessed with this. Like, I just can't wait to just display it. It's just much more of a conversation starter. You don't have to burn it. You can burn it. You can do whatever you want with it because you bought it, so you can do whatever you want. But I definitely did have to show it to you guys. They also do have other shapes. They have like the Nike Saucony. They have like a Yeezy. And I don't remember what else they have, but like this one of course caught my attention just because this is a Jordan 1. So I had to go ahead and get this. But that's it for the candle front. And let me just go put this down and show you guys more stuff. The next thing that I want to bring up are masks. We're always going to need masks. I don't ever think that masks are going to go away. And how many times can I say masks in 1 minute? But I wanted to show you guys these just because my friend Daniela, she is on YouTube and she is a fashion designer, but she also makes masks just because it's what is needed. But I went ahead and purchased it. She didn't even know I purchased it until she saw my name pop up with the order, and she was so upset that I did, but I was like, I'm still going to go ahead and support you, even though I know she could have gifted it to me, or she could have gave me a discount, but I said no, I want to go ahead and be a regular customer. So I went ahead and purchased these masks, and they are better for me, just simply because they do have the adjustable tab that's right here. I have a long face, so the typical regular short ones don't work. It always hurts the back of my ears. I have little ears and a long face, so those other ones don't work. But I love how she came out with this one with a little adjustable tab, so you can go ahead and adjust it to your face. I just love these. I guess this is more of a crop sort of velvet type of mask design, and I just loved it. So there's how it looks. I did purchase 3 colors. I don't know where the gray one is at. I got this sort of beautiful blue one, and I got this black one, and there's a gray one. I probably have it up in the front room just because I wear that one the most, but I'm gonna link these down below. There's tons of designs that she has. I think you guys will really enjoy it. I don't remember how much I paid for it. The trend of this video is I don't remember how much I paid for a lot of these things. I bought it like, weeks ago or so long ago that I just don't remember. So the next thing that I want to talk about is my summer style. I am done with winter. I'm not buying any more winter pieces. I think this is the last thing that I bought from Zara. It was on sale for, I believe, $35. So I just went ahead and purchased that. But other than that, I'm not buying any more winter clothes. I just want to go ahead and focus on summer and spring. And then the vibe for me is vintage looking t-shirts or vintage style t-shirts. I want to do bowling shirts, like, the button down bowling shirts, which of course I have examples for you guys, as well as some sort of sneaker, specifically a Jordan 1. These are the latest ones that I purchased. This is the Volt ones. Actually, I didn't purchase this one. This was gifted to me. A friend bought this for me, so actually this one was gifted. I didn't purchase it. And then what he did was he gave me one of his laces. I don't know from what sneaker it was, but basically is these sneakers, these laces that go, it's an ombre, it goes from cream to black, and I think that it matches the sneaker pretty well. So I cannot wait to wear these. I think that they're beautiful. It's a little pop of color with the little neon. So it's going to be something like this. And the whole point is to match, but not to match. And lastly, on the bottom is going to be some sort of running short, jogging shorts, some type of athleisure short. I don't like denim shorts to wear in the summertime just because I think that it rubs me the wrong way. It fits all type of ways. I just don't like denim in the summertime for shorts. I don't mind denim ripped up jeans, which of course I'll also be wearing. And then lastly, it's going to be a bag, and the type of bag is going to be very specific. I want it to look like one of those European style bags, like, it can be either European or tourist, I don't know what they're called, but basically the shape is going to be like a little messenger bag. That's what I want it to be, and I have an example for that as well. So let me just show you guys some items of what I'm talking about so you guys can get the vibe, because I know I probably sound crazy right about now. But the first thing I'm gonna show is this t-shirt. It's by Jay Madison. He did take down his website, but I'm gonna leave his Instagram down below and you can always hit him up and he can show you different styles and etc, etc. But this is something that I really did love. It's like, again, it looks vintage. It says Jay Madison, and then it's kind of like all cool, and then it says at the bottom, it says, what does it say? It says, everything is better with a twist. I love it. I think, again, do you see the vibe? I know you guys see it. And then specifically with this, what I want to wear is these Emanuel shorts. I just got these. He just dropped these. Again, I'm going to leave the website down below. I love this specific one because, again, it has the yellow. And this one is more like a terry cloth, or I don't know what the material is, but I love the way how his shorts fit. All of the shorts are going to be high waters, or like not very short, but short, way above the knees. Just because, again, it's summer, it's hot, I'm hot. I don't want to be sweating, so the less clothes, the better. My personal opinion. But here's the shorts. So do you guys get the vibe? Do you see it? I know you see the vibes, but basically it's gonna be this with this and this. Kind of see it. So that's what I plan on wearing. Another style is going to be a bowling shirt. So this is the latest bowling shirt that I got. I know it's kind of wrinkled just because it was folded up in the drawer, but this one is by APC. I love the paint splatter of everything. It has a bunch of different colors, so you can wear whatever you want with it. And I am waiting on my Mocha Jordan 1's to come. I'll probably put a photo up somewhere just so you guys can see. I did purchase, my sister purchased me the University Blues, but I didn't like them, or I have a sneaker similar to it, so I was like, this is not going to work for me. So I sold those and I purchased the Mochas with the money. So it's going to go with this, and then the running shorts that I'm going to be wearing are Lululemon shorts. I'm going to purchase Lululemon shorts in every color just because that's just what I like. And I figure with running shorts, they're more airy, they're more like, you know, light on your body. They don't feel like they're weighing you down. So guys or girls, anybody who wants to wear running shorts, I feel like, you know, if you're always looking for something to wear, try a running short. Try things that normally shouldn't work, but they do work. And that's my thing. I know everyone's probably like, why are you wearing running clothes or athleisure? And like, come on, this is the times that we're in. We all want to think about comfort. No one wants to be uncomfortable anymore. So I got this like mauve looking shorts, and I believe again it's gonna go well with this, and it's gonna be with the mochas, I believe. And then this one is called the, I don't know the style of this one, but I'm going to go ahead and also leave that down below. And last but not least, I had to mention a bag. What type of video would this be if I didn't mention a bag? So the bag, of course, came from here. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this already of me unboxing it, I believe. It's probably going to be on one of those little, I don't know, those little circle things. I don't know what it's called. But I did go ahead and unbox it on there. And I'm actually more active on Instagram as of lately. I don't know why. I typically go back and forth between Instagram and YouTube instead of just being active on both. I don't know. I'm weird like that. But the first thing that I want to show you is this box. Total waste of money. Complete waste of money. Don't buy this if you don't have to, guys. So this is going to be the Rodeo. This is like a little charm. It's literally, that's all it is. It's a bag charm. But this one is very rare because it's all black. They typically come with like 3 different colors. Like the body will be a different color, the saddle will be a different color, and then the hair will be a different color. But my SA said that she saved this for me. This is the largest one. I think this is called the GM. What is this one called? This one is called the large. It's cost $630. Like, don't buy this, people. But again, I bought it for you guys to tell you guys don't buy it. But if you are crazy like me and you want to buy it, go for it, because I could definitely sell this and make some money off of it, but I don't want to sell it. I think I'm going to keep it. So the reason why I bought this was for another bag, but I'm going to wear it on this item here. So let me go ahead. Again, this is not a true unboxing.
I actually don't like unboxing on my channel anymore. I just think that it's just dumb now. But that's just my personal opinion. But I'm going to show it to you guys. Let me just show them. You don't really care.
My camera died, so I don't know how much you guys saw, but I'm going to show it to you again. So this is the bag that I got. It is going to be the Hermes TPM. And this is what I meant by, like, you know, that messenger style European traveler bag that's like right here, always on you. I think that that's just going to be the vibe of my summertime look. It's easy. It's in black. This one is more rare just because it's in black and gold. It's typically always comes in black and palladium, but once again, my SA saw it and she thought of me, and then I was like, you know what, yeah, I just charged it on my card, and I went to go ahead and pick it up. But let me show you guys here with this. Look at the size of this compared to this bag, and I know how obnoxious it looks, and I love it. So this is just gonna go right on here, just like that. Let me just do it really quick for you. Right like that. And I wear a lot of gold jewelry, so it does make sense. And I'm just gonna have it right there hanging, and then even the what is this called? The strap comes in a long cotton strap. It's not leather, but you know, it just goes on like that and goes on like that, and it's easy. There's nothing to it. So I really like this bag. I had the large Evelyn bag, but I sold it. I might do a bags I've sold and why video. Let me know if you guys want that down in the comment section down below. But I have like a ton of ideas that I want to share with you guys and talk to you guys about. And that's really about it. That's what my summer vibe is going to be. And also, while my camera died, my friend was calling me because they did drop some more shorts on Eric Emanuel's website, and I went ahead and purchased another pair, an orange pair. So as soon as that comes in, I'll make sure to show it to you guys. But yeah, that's just gonna be my vibe for the summertime. That's just a lot of the things I've been feeling. Make sure you support your friends if they do have local small businesses. Just support all the small local businesses, just because it's much more harder for them to make a dollar versus the large conglomerate corporations. But with all of that said, I do hope you beautiful people have an amazing day. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for all of the new subscribers, because actually while I've been away, a lot of people have been, like, you know, subscribing to my channel. A lot of people have been, like, you know, DMing me on Instagram, commenting on my photos of when I'm gonna come back to YouTube, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of the, you know, my ride or dies from day one, and I appreciate appreciate all of the new people who came and subscribed even when I was on my hiatus. Like, I really do appreciate it. And perhaps in the next video when we're catching up more, I can go ahead and tell you why I took a long hiatus. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want to hear that down below in the comment section. I'm gonna go ahead. I got a lot of things to do today. I hope you beautiful people have an amazing day. Go ahead and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so you guys can be notified when I post more videos. And trust me, more videos are coming. I know you guys are gonna be like, why am I gonna do that? But anyway, I'm ranting right now. Peace. Bye.